Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, tomorrow we are the 1st of February. We know that there are some updates in February coming to Windows 11 for the standard user. So it's not going to be insiders, it's going to be really for regular users. They should come in the form of a cumulative update, possibly, or some update of apps through the store. It depends what it's going to be. What we will have, well, one of them that I wanted to show you is the new media player. The new media player is going to be one of the apps that's going to come this February. So here it looks like. So the rounded edges, and it's not that much different, honestly, from the standard media player than we had. It does have the possibility to play some new formats and is a little modernized. Of course, you have the compact version of it if you want, and you can play any apps. And so this is what it looks like. In general, not much of a difference. You have the standard panels on the left side that will have the navigation options of the music library, video, and so on. You have home, of course, music. You have video. You have the queue with what you can play. There's something here already that's updated. And you will have playlists if you want. So here is playlists of some of the songs and stuff that you get, which I believe these are coming from the OneDrive cloud that I have. And of course, settings, you can customize it with different, that is possibly interesting for some. You can customize it with light or dark themes so that you can change that. You will have the video library locations, media info, the missing stuff. If the accent color will follow the system color or a default color that is already chosen called Zest. Of course, if you choose system settings, it goes with the background and the accent color, including the play button that you see is kind of greenish here, depending on what you're going to get. And, well, that's the media player. It's called Media Player version 11.2112.40 here. Possibly the same version or an updated version will come, but there is a new media player. Like I said, nothing to jump up and down about. It is so similar to the ancient media player that for me, there's no big hype in getting this new version, honestly. So that's one of the updates that's coming this month for regular users of Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.